Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're making something fun, crispy and totally delicious. Homemade corn dogs. These are golden, deep fried and perfect for parties, game day or just because you're craving something epic. You don't need a fairground to enjoy these. I'll show you how to make them right in your own kitchen. So grab some skewers and let's get cooking. Right then guys, so the ingredients for this one. In this large bowl I've got 150 grams of all-purpose flour. We're going to use 220 grams of cornmeal, 8 hot dogs, 180 ml of milk, 50 grams of normal granulated sugar, 5 grams of salt, 8 skewers, 2 eggs and 4 grams of baking powder. Would help if I press the record button. With the ingredients, right, so all you're going to do is just put all them ingredients into the bowl with the flour and combine it all together so you get this. You want to mix it so you get a nice, smooth, thick, sticky paste because obviously we don't want, if it was runny and watery, all this would just come straight off the hot dog, which we don't want. We need it to stick to that dog. And that's it. That's just basically about 2 minutes of mixing together with a spoon, and that's the results you're looking for. Right, now then, on to the next bit. Remember, Al, press the record button. So right, in a pan I've got some oil warming up. But first we're going to transfer this mix to a pint glass and then we can dip the dog in when we skewered it. Right, so with the hot dog, all you want to do is basically put the skewer down into there. Just like so, and do that with the rest of them. Right, to make life easy, we're going to pour some of the mix into this pint pot. And then what we're going to do is dip the hot dog in. Give them a mix around. And voila, there's our corn dog. Right, and then once you've coated your corn dog up, just pop him in and let him cook for 3 minutes to 5 minutes. It varies. You want it nice and golden brown. Let any excess batter run off, and then you don't get too much on. When you're coating it up, if you just tilt your glass, and then you can get to the top part, and then just let him come out and just have a little trickle for a minute. There we are guys, and that's the colour you're looking for, and pop that on a plate with some tissue, and there we go, some beautiful corn dogs. Right, let's give them a taste. Never had these before. Oh my, that is a tasty hot dog. I can now see why Americans love them so much. That is so yummy. Makes the whole world of difference just to a normal hot dog. So that's the first time I've ever tried one, and wow, they are beautiful. Right, I hope you give it a try. If you've never had them before like me, they are yummy. Right, and until the next one, love you, bye.